Hi everyone, Habib here. In this video I'm going to make a Unity tutorial about how to create timer. Let's create a script here. I'm going to call it simple timer. Then I will create a text UI element in my Unity scene, and I will call this text as timer text. Let me place it at the center of the screen. Resize the text so we can see it clearly like this, and let me change the color of the background to white. Okay, and then I'm going to create an empty game object. I call it simple timer, and then I attach this script here. Now let's edit the script. We don't need this update function. Here we are going to create a public int variable. I call it seconds. By default I will set it to 10. Then here I'm going to add public text timer text, and because we are using Unity UI, so we need to add using Unity engine.ui here. Here at the bottom of the script I'm going to add enumerator function. Let's call it run the timer. And I type yield return new, wait for second. Wait for second, and inside this brackets we need to add 1 second, 1f or 1. Okay, and what will happen here? Here we will add an if statement. If we are going to check the value of seconds, is it greater than 0 or not? If it is greater than 0, we will reduce the value of seconds by 1 digit. Seconds minus equal 1, and then what? After that we will call this function again. So here in the start, in the beginning of the initialization, we are going to call start coroutine. We call this function, and also we will call the same line here each second. Okay, this if statement for the condition which is the value of seconds is more or greater than 0. What if it is 0? What if the value of seconds is not greater than 0? Here we can call anything we like. Just for example, I can type debug.log. I can type time is up. Okay, I think we are done with the scripting. Let's go back to our Unity editor. We will see some slots here. we have 10 seconds here. You can edit it. You can set 12 or 5, 6, 7, and here timer text, we are going to drag and drop this timer text UI element here, and that's all. We are ready to run the program. Click the play button. Show the console. Oops, yeah, I forgot something. I forgot to update the value of timer text UI. Here at the end of this enumerator run the timer, I will type timer text equals to seconds, because seconds is integer and we need string variable to be passed here as the value of the timer text. We can just convert this integer to string by adding an empty string like this, or we can just add another string here at the beginning, for example timer value, or we can just leave it empty. Okay, let's go back and test it again. Click the play button, clear the console. It's cleared already. Okay, hang on, it is because the text rectangle here is too small. I need to scale it up this way so we can see the rest of the content of the text. Okay, run it again. Timer value 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then here we will see a message, time is up. Or we can show this time is up message here as the value of this UI element. So to do so, we need to move this one here, and then we will add another one here, and for this one we will show this text. Let me add an empty space here. Okay, let's go back to our Unity and try it again. Timer value 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time is up. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you, and see you next time on my next videos. Bye bye.